Your CRM may be able to track your calls, but can it understand them? Well, now it can with Enable's AI Summary and Sentiment. Enable's in-house VoIP and CRM integration turbocharges your system by using AI to provide a summary of everything that took place in the call and giving it a sentiment score based on how the call went. Our AI integration listens to the full conversation and instantly assigns a call sentiment, spot unhappy customers within seconds, coach your team using real data, and identify top performers based on consistently positive interactions. You can even track and report sentiment trends across your team or campaigns all over time and all directly inside your CRM. Click the link in the description to get started with better customer insights and improved customer relationships using Enable's AI Summary and Sentiment.